Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. If you're working with Python and the Pillow library for image processing, you might want to check if you are drawing over an existing element. This can be useful in various scenarios, such as annotating images or creating overlays. Here's a tutorial to help you achieve this. Make sure you have Pillow installed. You can install it using pip. Load the image on which you want to draw. Create an ImageDraw object to perform drawing operations on the image. Draw some elements on the image. For example, draw a rectangle. Now, if you want to check if you're drawing over an existing element, you can use the getbbox method of the ImageDraw object. This method returns a bounding box that encloses all non-zero pixels in the image. Here's a complete example combining the above steps. Replace path /to /your /image.jpg with the path to your image file. The script will draw a red rectangle on the image and then check if any drawing overlaps with existing elements. Feel free to adapt this example to your specific use case by modifying the drawing operations and conditions as needed. ChatGPT